everyone, hope you are having a great time. Today's video is especially for working professionals and I am going to cover everything about Executive MBA, whether it's the right choice for you, the types of Executive MBA, fees, eligibility, and many more things. So let's get started with the types of Executive MBA. There is a full-time Executive MBA and a part-time Executive MBA. So in a full-time Executive MBA, you leave your job and go to study in a university where live and you will not be earning during that period. Let's take a few examples of a full-time Executive MBA, like the first one, PGPX IIM Ahmedabad and EPGP IIM Lucknow. Now let's look at the part-time Executive MBA. So in the part-time Executive MBA also there is a segregation coming to online and offline. So if you are doing it offline, you have to in the weekends. It is designed in the way so it will be helpful for the working professionals. Coming to online Executive MBA, this is very flexible. You don't need to leave your city. You can do it from a tier 2, tier 3 city and you will be earning simultaneously while you study. Now let us understand the fee structure of an Executive MBA. So an Executive MBA costs somewhere same or more than a regular MBA, and a regular MBA duration is of 2 years, whereas an Executive MBA is of 1 year. Regular MBA degree can cost you around 22 to 25 lakhs rupees. Then an Executive MBA will cost you more than 25 lakh, whereas a part-time Executive MBA will cost you much less, but again above 10 lakhs. And then the least expensive option is an online MBA where you have to pay less than 10 lakh rupees. Now let us look at the eligibility. But before we get started, if you are looking for an Executive MBA college, then you need to make sure that you are not doing it from any random college. It has to be a good reputed university which is government approved. This is where EduVertical helps you. It connects you with alumni. You can simply visit the website www.eduverticals.com or you can simply DM us on WhatsApp. The link is in description. You can talk to an alumni from your chosen university, and not only that, you get to connect from expert counselors for personal guidance, and all this is just for free. Now let us come back to eligibility. So if you are a working professional who wants to do an Executive MBA, you need to have 4 to 5 years of work experience. And also in some reputed universities, they ask for GRE and GMAT score. But in some colleges, you can straight away give your interview and get in. Now, there's a difference in doing a regular MBA and an Executive MBA. And normal regular MBA will land you to jobs in entry-level or mid-level positions, whereas an Executive MBA will land you a high-level leadership role. So, if you are ready to move into a leadership role, you should definitely do an Executive MBA. For more details, you can reach us out on WhatsApp, link is in description. For more such videos, like, share and subscribe to EduVerticals.